We have some catching up to do. I am in the most random place, most random country ever. Let me break it down. After my trek across Africa, I decided to split things up, shake things up a little bit, and go to Europe. There were still a few countries in Europe that I needed to get to for my challenge, so I figured that I'd go to Europe, spend some time rejuvenating and visiting those other countries. I was in Paris, and then I went to Spain so that I could get to Andorra, and then I went back to Spain. I went from Spain to Italy because I needed to get to San Marino. And my next goal was to head up towards Switzerland because there's another country in Switzerland or next to Switzerland that I needed to get to. Last minute, I realized that Americans can only be in Europe for 90 days at a time. Once you reach those 90 days, you have got to get your passport stamped. Otherwise, you can be subject to fines because you'd be violating your visa, right? So one day I just woke up and I was like, let me check how many days I've been in Europe. I started doing the math, realizing I had been in Europe for exactly 89 days, meaning I needed a flight out of Europe literally the next morning. I started panicking because Switzerland, although it's not a part of the European Union, is a part of Schengen Europe, meaning it would count towards my 90 days. I was in a pickle. I had to get out of Europe. I started looking up flights to immediately get out of Europe, but all the flights that I was looking on getting had layovers because I was booking so last minute. And every layover would have laid me over somewhere else in Europe first, and that would still be in violation of my visa, in violation of the 90 days. So I had to think, where can I go to get out of Europe tomorrow, literally in 24 hours? I had actually less than 24 hours to get out of Europe. So I started looking up buses because because it was so last minute, I couldn't find a flight without a layover out of Europe. I didn't need to wait for a visa. You know what I mean? Like, I couldn't pick a country that I had to wait for a visa because obviously if I have to wait for a visa, then I can't leave tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So I went through so many countries. I started looking up all these countries. Where is the closest place that I can get out of Europe so I don't violate this visa? I stumbled upon Macedonia. There was a bus that I could book. Literally that same night, I went to the bus station in Florence, Italy, which is where I was, and I found a bus that night, 19 hours to Serbia. I get my passport stamped in Serbia and wouldn't be in violation of my visa. And then on the way from Serbia, I didn't want to stay in Serbia, so I went on to Macedonia. No offense to Serbians, I love Serbia. I just been to Serbia before and I just didn't love it as much. So when I saw that I could get a bus out of Italy through Serbia, get my passport stamped in Serbia, and then stay in Macedonia for a couple of days, sounded like the perfect plan. We're here in Macedonia. Macedonia is beautiful. It's a gorgeous country. I've been here before. It is funny because I had the funniest bus ride ever. Everyone was looking at me. Everyone was Macedonian besides me on the bus, and they were very confused, but extremely kind. I mean, so kind. Like, kids kept bringing me snacks. Like, there was a lot of kids with their parents on the bus, and they kept coming up to me and giving me snacks, asking if I was comfortable. Every time we'd stop, they'd say, "Do you want a coffee?" I don't drink coffee, but they kept on trying to offer me coffee. Just the sweetest, kindest people ever. Not many people here know English, but they're so kind. So yeah, I'm only in Macedonia for a day and a half. So I just walked around yesterday around Skopje. I went to Mother Teresa's house. Mother Teresa is from Skopje. So I went to her house. They turned it into a memorial. Her bed is still there, the exact same way she left it, which was really cool because I didn't do that the first time I was in Macedonia. I got some traditional Macedonian food, which is delicious. It's like beans and sausage, very typical Balkan food. When I say people are so nice here, it's just people are so sweet. Yes, I am kind of the odd woman out. There's not a lot of people who look like me here, but they're just so kind. People do stare, but they stare out of curiosity, you know? As soon as I lock eyes with somebody that's staring at me, they immediately turn the stare into a smile, and they just kind of want to ask me like, where are you from? Because they just literally have no idea what I'm doing here. And they actually find it really flattering. A lot of people told me like, we're honored that you wanted to come here. And I'm just like, yeah, it was kind of on accident. And like I said, I have been to Macedonia before, so I don't really feel obligated to explore. I have already done this country, so it doesn't check off on my every country list. So I'm leaving in the morning, but I am in the Marriott. It is the most beautiful hotel. These people are so sweet. I loved being here. I went out this morning. The food has been delicious and so cheap. And I got some delicious food. You guys know I'm always going to pick a health spot. So I went to like this health place. I got a smoothie and a chicken wrap, and some Greek yogurt is big here because Macedonia is right above Greece. So you guys know how much I'm in love with Greek yogurt. So I've been eating Greek yogurt. I've been having a ball today. I'm going to hit the gym. There's a gym here. I want to work out so that I can feel good. I leave tomorrow. I leave Macedonia tomorrow, yeah, and I'll be in country 139 tomorrow. Stay tuned. But yeah, that's why I'm in Macedonia. Random. Also wanted to let you guys know that if you wanted to support this journey and donate, it would mean so much to me. I am full force, baby, trying to finish this mission of visiting every country in the world completely by myself, you guys. Nobody is doing this with me. I've been alone literally the entire year, traveling in a foreign country every single day this year, and I'm not going to stop until we finish this goal of visiting every country in the world. Tomorrow I'll be in my 139th country. There are 195 countries in the world. So if you guys could help me, it would mean so much to me. I have a GoFundMe. I'll link it down below in the description. Even $20. It adds up quickly. So I would just be so grateful if you could, or would, if it's on your heart, to donate. If not, just stay tuned and keep up with the videos. Make sure you're subscribed. We're going to finish this goal of visiting every country in the world. So it's been really nice to kind of chill out these last few days. That bus ride, it was 19 and a half hours, kind of wore me out a little bit. But yeah, we're on to a new country tomorrow. I'm going to hit the gym here, and we'll see what else we get up to today. You guys, nothing feels better than that post-gym shower. I get so freaking worn out and tired. But I wanted to tell you guys about something. About my brand, Angelhair. I launched a hair care brand, Angelhair by Maryjane.com. We've got 2 products up right now. Actually, we have an ebook that just went up a couple days ago. I get so many questions about hair. How do I start my hair health journey? Where do I begin, MJ? What do I eat? What am I doing wrong? What is my perfect routine to grow strong, healthy, pretty hair, full hair? So I put a hair guide on Angelhair by Maryjane.com. So I'll link it down below in the description. It's called the Angel Hair Guide. And I tell you everything from what to eat, nighttime routine for your hair, morning routine for your hair, foods that make your hair beautiful, the science behind everything that I say to do and that I've done that definitely have changed my hair. So I'll link it down below, the Angel Hair Guide. And we have the vanilla growth oil. This is amazing. It's got castor oil, it's got boab oil, it's got jojoba, it's got vanilla bean. It smells like vanilla cream. Everyone says they love the scent. Coconut, rosemary, sweet almond. It's the best hair growth oil ever. I literally put it on my hair every single day. Available on Angelhair. And our rice water. The rice water. You guys know I swear by rice water. It's what reversed my extremely heat damaged hair. rice water is superior. Have I said enough about rice water? Really cool. We've got a code, summer25. You can use the code summer25 at checkout and get your entire order 25% off. So the code is only valid for a couple more days from when I upload this video. So use it if you want to get, we're having a summer sale, so use the code summer25 to get 25% off your whole purchase. I'm about to go out. It's about 6 p.m. right now. I'm about to go do a water run. I cannot survive without water, so I always make sure I have a lot of water. So I'm about to go run out. I'm gonna buy like 5 or 6 bottles of water because like I literally can't survive without it. And then I might order some room service and then prepare to go to Country 139 tomorrow morning. I leave for Country 139 tomorrow morning. So this may be the end of the vlog if I don't do anything else. I might just get room service, get my water, and go to sleep because I need to be up early to get to Country 139 tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Yeah, follow me on Instagram at Maryjane_travels. And I would love if you got something on Angelhair. I'm thinking about if there's anything else I want to tell you guys about other than just seeing you tomorrow in Country 139. But if I don't do any more vlogging, love you guys. See you in Country 139 tomorrow.